Dear students, today I will discuss with you about a binary solution in which the solute is non-volatile, and this topic is related to four colligative properties. So what is colligative properties? The properties of solution that depends upon the number of particles but not the nature of the solute. That depends upon the number of solute particles but not on the nature of the solute. And under this heading of colligative properties, we will learn four types of colligative properties. That is, lowering in vapor pressure of the solution when solute is added to it, elevation in boiling point of a solution, means the boiling point of a solution will increase than the pure solvent. Depression in freezing point of a solution means the freezing point of the solution will decrease when solute will be added into it. Means again I am telling you that freezing point of this solution will be lower than the freezing point of the pure solvent when solute will be added to it. And about it, one topic, that is lowering in vapor pressure, is discussed with you, and in that you had seen that the relative lowering of vapor pressure is equal to the mole fraction of the solute, and generally this formula is not so important because till now I have found that numericals has not been asked. But there are two colligative property or three colligative properties which are elevation in boiling point of the solution, depression in freezing point of the solution, and the last topic, colligative property, that is osmosis and osmotic pressure. From these three topics, questions or numericals are always asked. So today we will find that in all these types of colligative properties, the elevation in boiling point, the depression in freezing point, or the relative lowering of vapor pressure has been related to the mole fraction of the solute. Let us see here one by one. I am discussing with you. When you will read the textbook that I will send you in your WhatsApp group through the PDF file, you will find it easy in reading or understanding the facts. So today you see here we have learned that the vapor pressure of solution decreases when a non-volatile solute is added to a volatile solvent. Thus, the dilute solutions of non-volatile solutes exhibit certain characteristic properties. The properties of the solutions, which depends only on the number of solute particles but not on the nature of the solute, are called colligative properties. Here there are four colligative properties here. First, relative lowering in vapor pressure. Second, elevation in boiling point. Third, depression in freezing point. And fourth, osmotic pressure. Now, I have discussed this thing with you. The relative lowering of vapor pressure is related to the mole fraction of the solute. There is no need to discuss here. Now, the second, elevation of boiling point. Vapor pressure of a liquid increases with increase of temperature. A liquid boils at the temperature at which its vapor pressure is equal to the atmospheric pressure. We also know that vapor pressure of the solvent decreases in the presence of non-volatile solute. For example, the vapor pressure of an aqueous solution of sucrose is less than the vapor pressure of pure water here. In order to make this solution boil, its vapor pressure must be increased to this much 1.013 bar by raising the temperature above the boiling temperature. Of pure water, that is 100 degrees C or 373.15 K. Thus, the boiling point of a solution is always higher than that of the pure solvent. Like the lowering of vapor pressure, the elevation of boiling point also depends on the number of solute molecules, irrespective of the nature of the solute. Here, let delta Tv, let Tv naught be the boiling point of pure solvent and Tb be the boiling point of the solution. The increase in boiling point will be Tb minus T naught B is known as elevation of boiling point. This is shown by the following graph. See here, the graph will is showing everything here. Temperature in Kelvin here. This is Tb, delta Tb, and this is Tb, and this one is T naught B. So the difference is delta Tb. Now, from experiment, it has been found that for dilute solution, delta Tb is directly proportional to the mole fraction, molar concentration of the solute in a solution. Molar concentration, that is molality. So see here, and this is proportional to the molality of the solution, and delta Tb will be equal to Kb multiplied molality, that is equation 1. Kb is known as proportionality constant, known as molar elevation constant. Its unit is kg mole inverse. If W2 gram of solute of molar mass M2 is dissolved in W1 gram of the solvent, then molality M of the solution is given by the expression this much. See here, when this is the this relation for the molality. So see here, substituting the value of M in equation 1, you will get this relation. So never try to learn this relation. Always you have to keep in your mind this relation only. Delta Tb is equal to the Kb molar elevation constant multiplied by molality of the solution. So you must have this concept. Never try to learn this relation. You will forget it. This is the basic concept of this formula. Automatically, when you will find out the molality, value of molality, and you will put here, you will get such type of formula. So thus to determine molar mass of solute known mass of solute and solvent is taken and delta TB is determined by experiment whose Kb value is known. So always Kb value is given in the numerical. You will find the solution of any type of numerical based upon this formula, and it is very compulsory that always such type of always numerical from this topic is asked. Now the depression in freezing point, it is also same. The concept of depression in freezing point is just like to the concept of the elevation in boiling point. Here in case of here it is the depression in freezing point is also proportional to the molality. Same thing. In the case of elevation in boiling point, in the case of elevation of boiling point, it was here delta TB, and in case of depression in freezing point, it is here delta TF. So same thing. You will get the formula for this depression in freezing point like the formula of the elevation in boiling point. See here, this is the formula. It is also of the same type, where in the case of elevation in boiling point it was here Kb, and in the case of depression in freezing point here is Kf. Only this is the difference, and rest everything is same in both types of topic, that is elevation in boiling point and depression in freezing point. So in this way I have discussed with you about the three colligative properties, that relative lowering of vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point of the solution, and depression in freezing point of the solution. And this is the definition of the, I will send you by through WhatsApp this text material. This is the definition of the molar elevation constant. So you will see here it is defined as the elevation in its boiling point when 1 mole of non-volatile solute is dissolved per kilogram of solvent. Note, Kb depends only on the nature of solvent. It is independent of the nature of solute and concentration of the solution. So when you will, I am sending you the facts of these three colligative properties with the help of text materials I am sending you. You will write in your notebook and then you will read it. I think that you will understand it sure, and you feel very comfortable in solving the numericals. Next day I will discuss with you in detail about the osmotic pressure and osmosis. That is very important thing.